high. Feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop where the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
I never thought I'd fly over my own state. Something about those city lights were calling out my name. Now mama, don't you cry, you know there'll come a day where I come visit you at home. And if I never stay, the same old worn out welcome sign with population getting by. Crossing that county line brings back the good old days, with the same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise. Watching that midnight sky you don't see in LA. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. This concrete tree line's got my head up in the clouds. A good thing that I got my roots back in steady ground. With the same old small church parking lot, I cried when Bobby tied the knot. By God, we never thought he'd give her his last name, or the ring that I won on the night that we once stayed 14 to 9. Those Friday football lights sure did feel like fame. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. To the place where the same old worn out welcome sign with population getting by. Crossing that county line brings back the good old days. The same old state sitting on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise, watching that midnight sky that makes me wanna stay. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same.
Steve.
Does it work?
Yeah.
It's for kids or?
Yeah, no, I can drive it.
You can drive
Yeah.
it. This is cool.
See the top, that
Yeah.
canvas top?
Yeah.
That takes off.
Yeah.
I can sit in it and I can get two kids behind me.
Oh,
And
cool.
then drive it.
Oh, really? That's nice. Nice. Is it a special name? This view?
No, it's hand built. It's
Hand-built?
yeah, I bought it off an old guy that makes them. It's all hand built.
Yeah, all hand built. That's wow. That's amazing.
Yeah, he's made all the chassis. And if you look underneath, all the chassis, all the lights work.
Wow. It's pretty good. You can fit, you and two kids can fit in it, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's good.
Nice.
You had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might shattered.